Hi everybody, welcome back to Cabin Crafts and Simple Living. And I thought I would show you a few of the Christmas projects that I'm working on for the shop. And it's make your own Christmas towels. Now, I'm sure you guys have gone to the store and seen the beautiful embroidered Christmas towels, and you know, they're expensive. But how cute would it be for you to make your own Christmas towels to give as a gift, to maybe include a cookie cutter and a spatula or something like that with it. So I've done two designs. Now I got these towels at Hobby Lobby for $2.79. They were not in the Christmas section. They were just in the regular kitchen section in Hobby Lobby, and they were $2.79 a piece. They're just really nice big towels. And they've even got the little hook hanger up there for you to hang it on a door. So what I did was I appliqued a snowman on one and a little gingerbread man on another. Now these buttons that I've got on here, they look to me like they looked like coal to me when I got them, and I got those at Hobby Lobby also. And then the little button nose, like Frosty the Snowman, he had a button nose. And then these are just little seed beads, and it's an applique stitch. You can see that all the way around. It's that buttonhole stitch or that penny rug stitch that I do on everything. It's very, very easy. If you want to see how to make that stitch, go back to my penny rug video and look at how I do that stitch up close, because I think I've got an up close how-to on that. And then here's the gingerbread man up close, and then I just sewed a little ribbon on him, and it's kind of loose. Now obviously these are for decorative use only. You don't want to, you know, dry your pots and pans with these, but I wanted to show you if you don't know how to draw a gingerbread man or the snowman, you can see he's just kind of three lumps. You can get a metal cookie cutter, one of these metal shaped cookie cutters, and just draw around on it on some paper, and that'll be your paper pattern to put on your towel. So you can find a snowman cutter, you can find a gingerbread man cutter, doesn't matter, whatever kind of a Christmas tree, whatever you want to applique on your towel. Now if you can't find a Christmassy towel, you can make your own towel, because I looked at these. They're just a really big square or rectangle of material. You can see they're just turning the edges under, and you know, you could even make your own towel if you can't find the material that you like. Here is another project that I'm working on, and let me put the towel away here. This is an angel, going to be an angel pillow, and this is all that penny rug applique, and I'm just stitching around the edges with a blanket stitch. I haven't finished yet, and then I'll stuff it, and this will be a Christmas pillow with an angel on it. And so where I've gotten that design from, I want to introduce you all to some books that I've had for years and years, but you can still get them on eBay and Amazon. And on the back it says Needle Love, and on the front it will always say something threads. So this is like acorn threads. So this is a fall book, and it will have the patterns. A lot of times the patterns are right there in the book, or they'll have big, let me find the big pull-out patterns. Well, this one doesn't seem to have big pull-out patterns, but anyway, some of them do. There is counted cross stitch in here. There is crochet. Let's see, let me find on the back. Well, you can see on the front, there's penny rugs, there's counted cross stitch, there's crochet, there's wool applique. These books have tons of projects in them. So I've got acorn threads. They've even got quilt designs, pumpkin patch threads, and then you can see on the back, I've made a lot of these projects. This one, does it have a pull-out? Yeah, so for like the big projects, it'll have a pull-out, big pull-out patterns. But a lot of times, if it's a smaller project, it's right there in the book. So this one's pumpkin patch threads. This is another one. This is bittersweet threads. And they're just full. This one's got like turkeys and things in it. They're just full of really cute, lots of wool applique, needle punch. There's even a whole quilt on this bed. Let's see what else is on here. Rug hooking. There's a little turkey pin that you can make. It's just wool applique. So that's another fall one. This one's Falloween threads. So you can see this one's kind of got the Halloween and fall. There's a quilt. Again, there is rug hooking, counted cross stitch, needle punch, quilts, all in these books. They're beautiful. They're about $25 even used online. This is snowman threads. This is where I got my little snowman design from. And I've got other books. I've got Yuletide threads. But you can see there's even, there's rug hooking. There's all sorts of projects on these cute little books. So you can find these on, like I said, eBay and some of the, and I paid $25 for them, and they're still going for $25, even used. So look for those because they are chock full of projects. I've got them for every season. I've got springtime ones. I've got Americana ones. I've got all kinds of these books, and I've had them for years and years. I've probably had them since the 90s and early 2000s, and I still use them every year. And I'll take some of the designs and put them on something else. I mean, you don't have to do exactly what's in the book, obviously, like what I did. This angel was a stocking. She was actually on a stocking, and so I made her on into a pillow. So you can just do what you want with these designs or patterns. And then the last thing I would like to ask you all, I don't know what's going on, but my channel is dying very quickly. I'm losing 30-something, 40-something subscribers at a time, and I don't know why. My videos are only getting, 150 to 300 views where I used to get in the thousands. I don't know what's going on. I don't know why this is happening. So if you all could help me, I would appreciate it greatly. It takes a lot of work to make these videos and a lot of my time. And I don't know if people are turned off by me or if they're turned off by the projects or they're turned off by the devotionals. But I look at my demographics and my analytics, and it tells me that like 47% of the people that are watching my videos are not subscribed. So if you all would do me a great big favor and like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, but make sure you like it if you like the video, and share it with people that you know. So if it continues to do this, I will not do videos anymore, unfortunately, because I just don't have the time to just sit here and talk to myself, and that's what I feel like I'm doing. It's a very rough time for me, business-wise, in the store, and this is going down too. And so I'm just like, Lord, am I not supposed to do any of this anymore? Because business has come to a complete standstill. It has been for over a year now. I'm doing everything I can, but standing on my head to try to put myself out there. And if you all have comments or concerns about any of my content, please don't say so in the comments. But if you would, you can give me a phone call. My phone number is on my website. And my email is sassafrascreek@aol.com. It's SASSAFRAS creek@aol.com. And ask me your questions and comments. I just don't want you to put them on the YouTube video itself, because someone is watching and reading every comment that I have and trolling me. So if you would be so kind as to do that and let me know, am I saying something or doing something that you don't like, or that that I don't know if it's everything. It's not just the devotionals, which that has always kind of turned some people off, but no one's watching the crafts videos either. I'm only getting about 150 to 300 views on a craft video. So if you all would please like the video, Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Share it with your friends, and try to help me get this thing going again. Like I said, I don't know what's going on. Sometimes I think I'm being sabotaged, and that's all I'm going to say about that. But if you all could help me out, I would really, really, really appreciate it, because I would like to keep doing them for you. I do know I've got about 250 really loyal fans out there, but it just keeps dropping off and dropping off. And so I need your help. So if you could help me with that, I'd really appreciate it. And thank you for watching. Bye.